What if a mother and daughter don't get along with each other? At times, mother and daughter also don't get along with each other. Some daughters are also quite rude. In all this, perhaps generally the daughter would be mostly at fault. Mothers would be less, because she's a mother, not mother-in-law. So the daughter should ensure that she fulfills the rights of her mother. She shouldn't raise her voice over her. She shouldn't talk to her while staring into her eyes. When the mother comes, she should stand out of respect. She should kiss mother's hands, kiss her feet. It is as if kissing the doorstep of the paradise. As it's stated in a blessed hadith that the one who kissed his mother's feet is like he kissed the doorstep of the paradise. So if she respects her mother in this way, then there will never be an argument between them. Similarly, if the daughter-in-law also has the same conduct, and she treats her mother-in-law just like her own mother in terms of dealings, of course she can't become her real mother. But if she also treats her just like her own mother, even then insha'Allah there will be no arguments. Sallu ala al-Habib sallallahu ta'ala ala Muhammad.